In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Facebook Messenger PIN code. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. But if you've forgotten your Messenger PIN, don't worry, you can actually reset it directly inside the Messenger app and set up a new one. To do this, open up Messenger and tap the menu button in the bottom right corner, and up at the top go ahead and select settings. Scroll down on this section and you're going to see a privacy and safety section. Open that up, and from here what you're going to want to do is actually tap security, specifically the end-to-end encrypted chat section in that security section. Up at the top you're going to notice a section for message storage. Go ahead and select that, and from here you're going to have the option to reset your PIN. Go ahead and select that, and obviously make sure you're using the same device where you originally set up your Messenger PIN. And once you tap reset PIN, you'll be prompted to enter in a new code. But that's it. Your Messenger PIN is now going to be fully reset and ready to use. But overall, it really is as simple as that. That's how you can reset your Messenger PIN in just a few steps. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.